I think what really stood out for me has been kind of what xTool has always been able to do, is the ease of use.
The welding was really easy, right? And it was just so clean, no experience, no training, no nothing about welding. And I was able to weld a basic frame in no time, you know, quick, clean cuts. Even tested out with brass and doing like small jewelry and everything, just with no issues whatsoever. Some knife blanks, pretty impressive. That CNC cutter is incredible.
At first, the name to me seemed a little strange, xTool MetalFab. But now that I'm actually here seeing it, it makes sense. It's a metal fabrication package all in one. You can cut, you can weld all in one. And you don't have to pay for two separate sources because it's all combined. And the weld was so perfect and beautiful, there was no splatter.
And it's as easy as it looks in video. With 1 minute of practice and instruction, I was able to get the best looking weld I've ever done in my life. And we put that weld on the ground and stomped on it and pounded it with a hammer, and it was incredibly strong. It was so easy, it's just a straight line. There's no moving, there's no figure eights, there's no puddle. We just pulled the trigger and went in a straight line, and it was so easy and it looked so good.